cuss.
Look here, read the writing that gives us a legal claim. Oh, we got a bill of sale right here.
Well, did his name? I don't believe it.
We got a bill of sale in hand, and lady, if you don't budge,
We'll pick you up right where you stand and bring you before the judge.
No, sir.
that boy is our property, same as the family cow. 'Cause we got a bill of sale right here, and we're gonna take it now.
You can't have him. You don't love him.
Wanna wash the door?
All you've done up to now is break his heart. You'll abuse him and just use him. Look out, or I'll take you apart.
We'd like to see you try it. We got a bill of sale right here. He's ours until he dies.
Stay where you are, just one more move and you'll get it between the eyes. You won't make a slave of him, even if you connive.
Yes, we will, 'cause we got a bill of sale right here. We got a bill of sale right here. We got a bill of sale right here. Right here.
You can't have him, you don't love him. All you've done up to now is break his heart. You'll abuse him and just use him. Watch out, or I'll take you apart.
We'd like to see you try it. We got a bill of sale right here that says he belongs to us. Fight all you want won't do no good to holler and fume and fuss.
Leave town, keep on going before I can count to 5.
We got a bill of sale right
I'll
here.
rotate